In this video, we are going to discuss about can we control rain to end droughts. For centuries, we've looked to the sky, hoping for rain, but what if we could do more than hope? Today, science is exploring ways to nudge the clouds and bring rain where it's needed most. The idea is bold. To influence the weather, even in small ways, is to wield a power once thought mythical. Imagine ending droughts not by waiting, but by acting, giving struggling communities a lifeline from above. Scientists are now the new rainmakers, using data, using chemistry instead of ritual. But with this power comes responsibility. The climate is complex. Every action has consequences we may not foresee. If we make it rain in one place, could we cause drought elsewhere? These are not just scientific questions, but ethical ones. The sky isn't a machine to control, but a living system to understand and respect. We stand at a crossroads. The dream of controlling rain is now a real scientific pursuit, but the stakes are high. Our relationship with the sky is entering a new chapter, one of knowledge, caution, and hope. When rain doesn't come, the land suffers in silence. Soil cracks, rivers shrink, fields turn brown. For families, drought is a slow crisis. Each cloudless day deepens their worry and threatens their future. Farmers walk their withered fields, hoping for relief that never comes. Wildlife suffers too, traveling farther for water, their survival uncertain. The ecosystem unravels. Every creature feels the loss. Water becomes precious, rationed, and a source of anxiety in communities. Children learn conservation as a necessity, not a lesson. Life's rhythm changes, dictated by scarcity. Drought steals not just crops and water, but security and hope. It's more than a lack of rain. It's a thief of futures. So, how do we ask clouds for rain? The answer? Cloud seeding. Clouds are made of tiny droplets. For rain, these droplets must grow heavy enough to fall. Cloud seeding introduces microscopic particles, often silver iodide, into clouds. Visual emphasis. Illustration showing tiny particles being released from an airplane into a large gray cloud, giving droplets something to cling to and freeze around. As these ice crystals grow, they become heavy and fall, melting into raindrops on the way down. It's not about creating clouds from nothing, but helping existing ones release more rain. The process is delicate and only works under the right conditions. There must be clouds with supercooled water, and the timing must be precise. Scientists act as meteorological detectives, choosing the right moment to intervene. Cloud seeding blends meteorology, chemistry, and aviation, a high-tech nudge to nature. It's not a magic wand, but a tool to help when nature needs a push. The goal? To give relief to thirsty lands, one cloud at a time. Around the world, nations are testing cloud seeding, sometimes with success, sometimes not. In the UAE, cloud seeding has increased rainfall, helping agriculture, helping water supplies. But results aren't always clear. In the US, Project Cirrus tried to modify hurricanes. Outcomes were inconclusive. Did the rain come from seeding, or would it have fallen anyway? Proving cause is tough. In Australia, a drought-stricken community hoped for rain after seeding. A light shower came, but not the deluge they needed. Was it a failure or a small victory? Such ambiguity is common. Weather modification is expensive and uncertain. Many missions yield little result. Yet, every attempt teaches scientists more about the atmosphere's complexity. Successes add to our knowledge. Failures add to our knowledge. The journey is slow, but each step brings us closer to understanding and maybe mastering the rain. The question now isn't just can we influence rain, but how should we? Our goal must be partnership, not domination. Using technology with care, respect for nature's balance. Imagine targeted rainfall to refill reservoirs, save crops, restoring balance to lands scarred by drought. This isn't about creating an artificial world, but healing the one we have. The atmosphere knows no borders. Our actions affect everyone. Global cooperation is essential. Ethical guidelines are essential. A shared sky is a shared responsibility. We may never fully control the weather, but we can learn to work with it, listening, responding, acting with wisdom. The future depends on harmony between human innovation and nature, bringing life back to a thirsty world. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.